Welcome to the Monster Trucks Island Games. Today, the top monster trucks and cars battle it out in the legendary Titan Tire Stunt Zone. Our competitors have been training for weeks to take home a golden Titan Tire trophy. Let's dive into our first event, the long jump. Monster trucks take turns launching through the ring of fire and flipping into the trophy cup. After each round, we move the jump distance back for a more challenging jump. Last truck standing wins. Let's go.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Well, that's a fishy finish. Tiger Shark clears the jump but can't stick the landing and goes belly up. Tiger Shark is eliminated.
Ah, fish sticks!
Oh no!
No derby. Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh yeah! Demo Derby launches over the gap and stomps the landing with his trademark style. It's a stylish one, you know?
Drive it like you stole it.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Mega fail! Mega Rex clears the jump but doesn't have enough speed to stick the landing and crashes into the tire.
I will get revenge!
Mega Rex is eliminated.
Bigfoot. Go big, go Hot Wheels!
And it's good! Bigfoot flies through the ring of fire with ease and crashes into the cup to advance on.
Can't stop the stomp!
2 trucks left. The jump moves back for an extra challenge.
No derby. Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Look out! Wow! Demo Derby takes way too much speed into the launch pad and flies over the scoreboard. And looks like he'll probably be okay.
Woohoo! You see that?
Oh
Bigfoot. Go big, go Hot Wheels!
That's it! Bigfoot wins! The living legend glides through the ring of fire with grace and super stomps the landing to win the Golden Titan Tire!
Can't stop the stomp!
yes, we won!
Hey, Bigfoot, you're the long jump champion. How does it feel?
I've been in big situations before, and I stomp home dubs every time.
Next up, let's send it down to the cars for the Ring of Fire race. Here's how it works. The fastest and most precise diecast advances by landing in the trophy first. If they miss the trophy, they are eliminated. Let's go. T-Rex Destroyer versus Aeropod.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
What a race! They're all tied going into the launch pad, but T-Rex Destroyer catches the big air it needs to land and advance.
Jurassic!
Roger Dodger versus Night Dragon.
Go big, go
Night Dragon takes the win with a stylish flippy finish. Roger Dodger couldn't handle the speed and burns out.
That was clawsome.
T-Rex Destroyer versus Night Dragon.
Don't blink, or you'll miss me on the podium. I would worry about my own Hot Wheels if I were you.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Night Dragon wins it all! T-Rex Destroyer is hot off the line, but launches out of the race, handing Night Dragon the championship. Let's send it down to the podium. Congrats on winning the Ring of Fire race. How does it feel?
I've been waiting for this moment my whole life.
All right, on to the next event, Hole Shot Smash. In each matchup, a monster truck launches into two cars in the Ring of Fire. Whichever team makes it through the Ring of Fire wins a point. First team to score 3 points wins. And now for our first matchup, Torque Terror versus Warp Speeder and High Roller.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Boom! Torque Terror turns up the volume to smash the cars for the first point and sends a crushed car flying.
Pump up the slam.
Trucks lead 1-0. Snakebite versus Road Bandit and RV There Yet.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Cars win! Cars are on the board! RV There Yet and Road Bandit put some weight behind it and sent Snakebite back to the sidelines.
I ain't scared of no snakes.
The score is tied 1-1. Roger Dodger versus Donut Drifter and Tanknator.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Crushed it! Roger Dodger uses that classic muscle to blast through the cars for an explosive point. I think we could say he crushed it.
Let's go Trucks.
Trucks lead 2-1. Shark Reek versus Buns of Steel and Mattel Dream Mobil.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Clean up in the seafood aisle. Shark Reek gets wrecked by the cars, and Buns of Steel orders an extra fries for a crucial point. Scorpedo jumped out of his seat for that one.
Let's fry these trucks.
The score is tied 2-2. Next point wins. Invader versus Carbinator and Toon Twin Mill.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Team Trucks wins! Invader blasts through the Ring of Fire and sits the cars down for the final points.
Make 'em go kaboom!
Congrats, Team Trucks. How does it feel?
Way to bring the kaboom, guys! Great game, cars!
The crowd is packed for the main event. Everyone wants a front row seat at the Stunted Style Finals. In this freestyle competition, each competitor will customize the stunt zone to up the challenge. They will be judged by the emoji scoreboard. The competitor with the best score wins the last golden Titan tire of the day. Let's get this stunting started. I'm jumping through the Ring of Fire for this one.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
All right, all right. Bone Shaker sets the bar with a big air through the ring of fire and lands upside down? Interesting choice.
Let me see y'all top that!
No derby.
I'm gonna smash through some cars and stick the landing.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Whoa! Watch out! Demo Derby smashes through his obstacle but crashes out with a sensational spin!
Oh, come on, that was epic!
Oh no!
Hot Wheels Warp Speeder!
I'm going for a long jump over 4 cards for a perfect score.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Holy moly! Hot Wheels Warp Speeder clears the 4 cars but launches into orbit over the scoreboard!
I totally meant to do that.
I'm going over 4 real cars! Backwards!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Tricky! Tiger Shark decides to switch it fakey and stops his stunt with a backwards wheelie landing. Impressive!
That was perfection!
Donut Drifter!
I'm going for it. I'm jumping over a monster truck.
This is a bad idea.
Why is everybody so scared?
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Yee! Ouch! Donut Drifter completely mistimes his jump and T-bones Roger Dodger with a direct hit!
I guess they're bigger than they look.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh no!
Rex!
I'm going over 2 real cars, through the ring of fire, and over a stack of crushed cars! Get the podium ready!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Epic jump! Mega Rex clears the gap perfectly and sticks the landing on 4 wheels. Mega Rex wins the Stunted Style Finals.
Never a doubt, the harder the stunt, the better I get.
We won!
Congrats on winning the Stunted Style Finals. How does it feel?
I've been doing this since the Jurassic Age. Ha ha ha!
Well, folks, that wraps up this year's Monster Trucks Island Games. These cars and trucks really crushed it today. And for those lucky few, the glory lives on forever.